also forgot that you should add some water to your juices. You can. It helps you to get more water intake in. So like in this 16-ounce juice, I have this 12-ounce cup here. I'm going to add some water just to fill up the remainder of the weight so that I'm actually getting more out of my juice. And you need the water to flush out the toxins. That is a good idea and recommended also. I was kind of concerned that it would like taste, I don't know, like really strong and salty, like salt water. But when you add like an apple, if I'd add a lime to this, it really would have been refreshing too. So a lime, lemon, I can actually stand it as long as this it has a little something in it. But straight celery juice, I'm not sure yet. I may give it a try next time, but so far the celery and the apple I'm okay with. Next time I think I will add a lemon to the celery and apple though, but this is really good. It tastes like a little salty apple, so it's actually like really good. I'm looking forward to completing that. I'm going to finish, I have a whole bunch of green juice to finish today. I'm also gonna have this cabbage, and I believe it's cabbage and apple juice, which is really good. You do taste the cabbage, it's purple cabbage and ambrosia apples. And you do taste the cabbage, but you taste more of the apple. Yeah, this is perfect for gut health. That is what I'm working on. And this is the beet juice. This is the carrots, apples, beets, and I believe ginger in here, and lemon. Yes, that's what this one is. And the lemon and the ginger helps balance out the sweetness of the beets. So that is what I am drinking today, in addition to a whole bunch of my lemon water. And I have a large jar of green juice that is available. And I find that when I do the green juice, it basically satiates me for the entire day just on green juice, but I can't survive just on green juice. You have to have the carbs. So that's where the other juices come into play, and I have more in the fridge, but definitely it helps. All right.